Let's first try to understand why do people snore. Well, if you snore, you're not alone. According to studies, up to half of all American adults snore. When we sleep, muscles and tissues in our throat relax and become floppy, so when air flows through our throat during our sleep, vibrations are produced. This causes the harsh and irritating snoring sounds we all know and hate too. Snoring may disrupt your sleep, or that of your partner. Even if it's not bothering you too much, it's not a condition you should ignore. In fact, snoring may be a sign of a serious health condition, including obstructive sleep apnea, which basically means blocked airways, obesity, an issue with the structure of your mouth, nose or throat, or chronic sleep deprivation. However, in other cases, snoring may be caused simply by sleeping on your back or drinking alcohol too close to bedtime. In some cases of snoring, it's important to seek a doctor's care. In order to get the medical treatment, you need to address the underlying condition, but there are certain simple remedies to control snoring which we will discuss in this video. Hey viewers, I'm Dr. Sophia Fahl and welcome to Lovers of Good Health channel. In today's video, we will take a look at few remedies for a common problem that is snoring. But before we begin, kindly use some of the time to subscribe to this lovely channel and leave us a like on this video to support the channel. Thanks for doing that. Now let's begin. The number one remedy to stop snoring is to lose weight. Losing weight directly helps in reducing snoring. This happens because shedding weight will not only improve your health, but it directly reduces the amount of excess tissue in the throat, the same tissue that creates the irritating snoring sounds. So you can begin to lose weight by reducing your overall caloric intake. Also, you can switch to eating smaller portions of food at regular intervals and creating a diet composed of more healthy and nutritious foods, including fruits and vegetables. Also, make sure that you get regular exercise every day. You may also consider consulting your doctor or a nutritionist for getting professional advice to manage your diet and weight effectively. Number 2 is to sleep on your side. When we sleep on our backs, sometimes the tongue moves to the back of the throat. This partially blocks the usual airflow through your throat, leading to snoring. Sleeping on your side may be all you need to do to allow air to flow easily and reduce or stop your snoring. Number 3. Raise the head end of your bed. Elevating the head end of your bed by 4 inches can help to reduce snoring by keeping your airways open during sleep time. It will also improve your oxygen levels. Number 4 is to use nasal strips or an external laser dilator. Stick-on nasal strips are easily available in the markets. Today you can either buy them online or go to a nearby pharmacy to get them. Nasal strips work on a simple concept. They are placed on the bridge of the nose and they increase the space in the nasal passage. This can make your breathing more effective and reduce or eliminate your snoring. You could also try a nasal dilator, which is an adhesive tape that's applied on the top of the nose across the nose rails. This can decrease airflow resistance, making it easier to breathe. You can try these nasal strips to help reduce snoring. Number 5. Manage your chronic allergies more effectively. Allergies lead to swelling inside your airways. This can reduce airflow through your nose, which forces you to breathe through your mouth. This increases the likelihood that you will snore. Talk to your doctor about what kind of over-the-counter prescription allergy medications you may get to improve your condition. Number 6. Limit or avoid alcohol before bed. Numerous studies have shown that alcohol intake before bed can lead to increased relaxation of throat muscles, which in turn causes snoring. So try not to consume alcohol for at least 2 hours leading up to your bedtime. This simple small habit goes a long way to help you lead a healthy life. Number 7. Stop smoking. Smoking is an unhealthy habit. Studies after studies have shown the widespread destructive effect the smoking causes in our body. This is no exception. Not only you are more likely to snore, but you are more likely to experience episodes of apnea if you smoke. So quitting smoking is the best option for you. Trying nicotine gums in patches can be effective methods also. Consult your doctor or therapist to effectively manage your cravings. Number 8. Get enough sleep. Daytime sleepiness, excess tiredness, and incomplete sleep can all exacerbate your snoring symptoms. Make sure you get the recommended 7 to 8 hours of sleep you need each night. Your body will respond positively to the adequate rest, and you will definitely feel an improvement in reducing snoring. Number 9. Use an oral appliance. Dental mold pieces called oral appliances are also a popular method of controlling snoring. They also work on the same principle by keeping your air passages open. They make it easier for you to breathe, which basically prevents snoring. But you need to consult your dentist to get one of these devices. Number 10. Medical interventions. Usually in most cases snoring resolves with lifestyle changes and above said methods like weight loss, but in some cases snoring causes breathing problems. To prevent that, your doctor might advise you few medical interventions. These are usually reserved as a last resort. These may include using a CPAP machine, which is short for continuous positive airway pressure. If medically appropriate, wearing a pressurized air mask over your nose when you sleep can help keep your airway open. Patients are recommended to keep the mask on for their whole period of sleep. This treatment is often recommended to treat patients who have breathing difficulties associated with snoring, also known as obstructive sleep apnea. This is most commonly used medical intervention and is effective for most patients. Palatal implants, also known as pillar procedure, is a treatment that involves injecting braided strands of polyester filament into your mouth's soft palate. This stiffens it to reduce snoring. Snoring can disrupt your sleep and that of your partner. But besides being annoying, it may indicate a serious health condition. Consulting your doctor and trying one or more of these above treatment options can help you get your sleep under control. Do consider leaving a like and sharing this video. We at Lovers of Good Health are committed to bringing you the latest and updated content every time. If you would like to support us, consider subscribing and becoming a member of our channel on YouTube. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.